Today feels like one of those days where it's just the calm before the storm. We've been making sure that all of the animals are taken care of. We've been dealing with cold and ice for days, and we're on the brink of another snowstorm coming our way with potentially up to 12 inches of snow and another quarter of an inch of ice on top of everything that we already have on the ground now. We, like many others, went to the store to stock up on a few supplies, but living this lifestyle means that we're usually generally prepared. We have wood stacked on the porch. It's going to be nice and warm and toasty inside. We always have food put back. That's something that we've always tried to do. Let the times of plenty carry the lean.
What is it?
There's talk of power outages, and there's going to be probably a lot of trees coming down. We've got a lot of ice already from the storm that hit a couple days ago. It hasn't gone anywhere, so we've got the chainsaw gassed up and the blades sharpened, and we're ready to go. We'll generally do a few more barn checks than normal. We'll make sure that the goats have plenty of hay and lots of feed. And even if we have to break the ice, that's kind of normal for this time of year, but we just got to make sure that they have what they need. Especially when we're on baby watch with Missy Claire there at the back, the white goat. She can be due literally at any time. We're praying that she doesn't have babies in the middle of the storm, but you know, that's the goat life. They tend to go and labor at the most inopportune time possible. So either way, we're prepared. We've had babies in the cold before, and we'll probably have babies in the cold again, but that's part of homesteading. We're the type that we can easily adapt. We know how to roll with the changes and the punches sometimes, and that's all part of homesteading.